In this video, I will show you how to use and speak with ChatGPT using mobile phone. All you need is a free ChatGPT official application that you could download from the Play Store for your Android mobile and from the App Store for your iOS mobile. Once we are on the Play Store, we can go ahead and we can search for ChatGPT here, and here you could see this is asking me to update ChatGPT because I have already installed ChatGPT in my mobile. Okay, now I have updated ChatGPT. It's asking me to go to open ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and open it. Once you download and open this totally free version of ChatGPT, just make sure that you are logged in with your email into ChatGPT. Down at the bottom, if you could see, I'm going to my account, and here I can see I'm logged in with my email and I'm also registered with my phone number. So if you want to change anything or any setting related to voice that ChatGPT offer us, you can come to voice and you can select input language. You can select voice like ho 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 happy. Here are many other options to change the voice, and also you could enable background conversation if you want. Keep the conversation going in other apps or while your screen is off. So I'm turning this off here. Let's go ahead, and please make sure you're logged in with your email. By this way, ChatGPT will save your all preferences and history. You can see here on the left side of my screen. Once you are logged in with your email account into ChatGPT, after that you don't need to do anything else. You just have to open ChatGPT. Now when you will open a ChatGPT on your main screen, you will find this voice option here. You can ask anything from ChatGPT. Now let's say, for instance, we want to ask that what is the capital of Australia? Okay, so now let's see how we can use another voice feature to convert our voice to text on ChatGPT. On the left side with the plus icon, you can see the mic. Let's click. So now let ChatGPT convert my voice to text, and ChatGPT answers directly that the capital of Canada is Ottawa. So let's. Now I want to say thank you ChatGPT for the information. So that's it about today's simple, to the point and clear tutorial on how we can talk directly to ChatGPT, right? And we will get those details in text as well. And the second thing we have learned that how we can use mic to convert our voice to text. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care, bye.